Hiya, this is Stacy. This is another shortcut tutorial on how to create another relatively easy to create effect, infinity mirrors. And this is what the effect looks like. Okay, without further ado, let's get into Shotcut. The first step is to look for footage with a rectangle mirror or window. Try to make sure that the mirror or window is not blocked. Okay, in this case, I've used a Hollywood vanity mirror available on the internet. My project file as well as all the files that I've used will be provided in the link in my description below. Okay, first we need to add Control I to add a few more video tracks. We need at least 11 tracks. Okay, I'll put this vanity mirror in my in my 11th video track. And first thing to do is to resize this vanity mirror so that it fits the whole screen. So just add a size position filter and resize it. Like so. Okay. The next step is to add footage of your subject with a background that provides a zoom perspective, like the example I have here. Drop this into video layer 10, and then we can resize the first video layer so that it matches the subject video. The next step is to chroma key out the green in the first video layer. So what I'll do is I'll add a filter and chroma key simple. Okay, and I need to do a key spill as well to remove the green tinge. Okay, next step is to duplicate the subject footage 10 times into the other layers. So just Control C, copy, and go to the beginning of the next video layer, Control V to add, and then repeat this for the next layer, Control V, and so on. Okay, next step is to go to the first video layer here, select it, and create a size position filter. And click on the keyframe icon here to create keyframes for this layer. At the 0 position here, the keyframe should be 100%, which is correct. And then move the time bar to about 4 seconds and change the zoom to 90%. And then go to the end roughly around here, and change the zoom back to 100%. Okay, so copy what we've just created, the size, position, and rotate keyframes, into all the other layers. So just go click on this copy icon, and then go to the next layer and click paste, and repeat for all the layers. Okay, next thing we need to do is for video layer number 2. Remember our keyframe was copied from video layer 1. So for the middle keyframe here, instead of 90, change this to 80. Hit enter. And for the next layer, do the same. Instead of 90, change this to 70 and hit enter. And for this one, same thing, change this to this time 60. Hit enter. And for this one, change it to 50 and hit enter. And for this one, change it to 40, hit enter. And for this one, change it to 30, hit enter. And for this one, change it to 20, hit enter. For this one, change it to 10 and hit enter. And we don't need that one. We can delete that one. Right, that's about all you need in terms of the setup. Easy, wasn't it? Okay, let's test the changes that we've made. Right, looks fine. Now, in the description below, I've included a few links. The first link is to the project file, the Shotcut project file or template that I've used. This is to, if you don't want to have to create this project from scratch, you can use this as a template. And the second one is a link to the Hollywood Vanity Mirror, which I've used. And this mirror is available on the internet, copyright free. And another link is to this background that I've used, which is a zoom in background. And notice that I've actually used 4 seconds to zoom out and then another 4 seconds to zoom back in. Total of 8 seconds. This clip runs for 23 seconds, so the 8 seconds saves you from having to fall into the deep blue sea here. Okay, and I have not included this subject file because it is a personal file. So you can replace this with anything, okay? Either use the same background or substitute with another background, but superimpose your subject onto the background. And you can either name it the same way using the same naming convention, or you can use a different name. If you use a different name, when you open up this template, you will see an error that says that there are some missing files. So just replace the missing files with your chosen file, and you should be good to go. Okay, that's all I have for this infinity mirror effect. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and see you next time. Bye.
Hope you enjoy the video. Thank you for watching.